Get portable power with this 1.5 horsepower, 8-gallon vertical air compressor from NorthStar. Start it up easily and use less electricity with the low-amp electric motor. It delivers up to 125 psi working pressure. You can operate 2 tools at the same time by plugging into the 2 quick connectors. Easily monitor air in the tank and at outlets with the 2 large 2-inch pressure gauges. Get cleaner air for better tool operation and maintenance-free operation with the oil-free dual piston pump. It runs smoothly thanks to the compressor that runs at only 70 decibels. You can take it around the job site on the flat-free tires. This 1.5 horsepower, 8-gallon vertical air compressor from NorthStar is portable for powerful performance on the go. Only at Northern Tool.